Welcome back again to H.S.P in World of Chemistry. Now these are very different type of questions. You can see intermediate formed during this reaction. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the correct answer is carbocation. Why carbocation? Because this is tertiary alkyl halide and hydrolysis. So it will proceed through SN1, and during SN1 reaction it proceeds with the formation of carbocation. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation intermediate. Next question. Intermediate formed during this reaction. You can see chlorobenzene plus NaOH. This reaction is Dawes process. What's the answer? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Carbanion. Remember that it is simultaneous, not simultaneous. First, OH negative will attack on the same carbon where chlorine is being attached under high pressure and in presence of high temperature. So carbanion with respect to chlorine at ortho, para, ortho. So it will proceed through carbanion mechanism, Dawes process. First addition, then elimination, substitution. In new NCERT, it is given on page number 311. Old, very old NCERT, 303, 303. Haloalkanes, haloarenes. Now, another question on your screen. Intermediate formed during this reaction. It's your carbalamine test. Yes, isocyanide is the product. Foul smell, very, very bad smell, poisonous compound given by aliphatic as well as aromatic amine. So the answer is carbene, because chloroform and KOH will react during 1,1 elimination, that is alpha elimination, to form CCl2, that is the actual attacking agent, dichlorocarbene. CCl2 is the intermediate. Now another question on your screen. Intermediate formed during this reaction. Allyl bromide, sodium ethoxide. Tick tick 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer is none of the above, because you see it is 1 degree alkyl halide and this is being strong nucleophile. So it will attack from the back side and it is an example of SN2. Elementary reaction, simultaneous breaking and making a bond. This proceeds without formation of any intermediate. So it will proceed due to transition state. No intermediate is formed. Another question on your screen. So phenol chloroform KOH. It is your RTR, Reamer-Tiemann reaction. So salicyldehyde will be the product, major. Carbene, once again here, this chloroform and QH will react to form dichlorocarbene. So it's the same intermediate of your carbalamine test and this RTR. Another question on your screen. See this question, my dear students. Yes, it is Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. RNH2, 1 degree amine is being the product. So none of the above, because nitrine, isocyanate, carbamic acid, these are the intermediates. Another question on your screen. This reaction is not given in NCERT. It is given in Tamil Nadu board. Just try to understand. Let's see none of the above, because in this reaction, it is Hoffman mustard oil reaction. The product is isothiocyanate. That's not the intermediate. So none of the above. Even isothiocyanate is not the intermediate. Okay. So none of the above. This is the product. Isothiocyanate is having pungency of mustard oil. Now another question on your screen. So Answer is very clear, carbocation. It will proceed by carbocation mechanism. First hydrolysis, and then the C2H5OH is being very weak nucleophile will attack. So carbocation formation SN1 mechanism. Another question on your screen. So let's see what should be the intermediate of this reaction. Carbocation. Why? First, it is diazotization benzene diazonium chloride, and then N2 plus will eliminate out, and that arenium ion will be the carbocation as intermediate. Now, another question on your screen. Take 1, 2, 3. It's Williamson synthesis of reaction, so it will proceed in single step elementary reaction. No intermediate is formed. So none of the above. Another question on your screen. Tactic 1, 2, 3. It is E2 elimination. Without intermediate formation, it is going to proceed. This will act as strong base and will attack to form isobutylene. So none of the above. Now another question on your screen. Just see to it. Now this is being started from by Hoffman bromamide degradation. So see, carbamic acid is formed because bromamide, anion of bromamide, and this is itself nitrine. So carbamic acid will get formed, and final product is 1 degree amine, Hoffman bromamide degradation. Which one is white PPT? White precipitate. So the answer is yes, AgCl. AgCl is white colored, cadmium sulfide is yellow, precipitate CHI3 is yellow precipitate. So maximum students have gone for all of these. That is your wrong answer. Another question on your screen. Acetylene, then hydration, then reaction with alkali and heat. So it is first acetylene and water means H, oxygen, acetaldehyde, and that will go undergo aldol condensation, CH3, CH double bond O, and these two hydrogens, and this is the short trick, water will eliminate out. Croton aldehyde will be the answer. Now another question on your screen. Water insoluble, which is not soluble in water. So the answer is AgBr. All halides are soluble in water except silver, copper, lead. So answer is AgBr. AgBr is water insoluble. All nitrates are soluble. Carbonates are insoluble, but if you take carbonates of ammonium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they are soluble because all sorts of ammonium, sodium, potassium, rubidium are soluble in water. So this is all for today. All the best.